Afternoon class, my name is Aiden. Today I will recite the poem Who Taught the Bird? Who Taught the Bird by Jane Taylor. Who taught the bird how to build her nest of wool and hay and moss? Who taught her how to weave with best and lay the twigs across? Who taught the busy bee to fly among the sweetest flowers and lay her honey by to laugh in winter's hours? Who taught the little ant the way is never home to board? And through the pleasant summer day, together all its stores, those God who taught them all the way and gave their little skill. He teaches children when they pray to do his holy will.